Hello everyone, today I have this Assa 600 with gins and countermilling. My plan is to pick it using only things that come out of this little EDC set I carry about sometimes. So it's got a set of top of the keyways from AliExpress, it's got mini gem, some mica card, and this Dangerfield Skeleton with a bottom of the keyway tensioner shoved down the side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use the DeForest. I'm not sure if the DeForest comes as standard on this or whether it was just available as part of the expansion. And I'm going to use this slightly bent tensioner. If you put it in just right, you get enough control. So 1, 2, 3. It's 2 clicks out of 3, 4, 5. More core movement on 5. That's one set. Oh, tensioner slip there, I thought I had it. That's 2 set. Oh, there we go. And there's 3 set. Hope you enjoyed this little picking video.